Okay, so back over at Hood Drive. We just went down the clean out right at the beginning. Already that connection between the PVC and the old cast iron is already having blockage issue right there. It's a bad connection. There's debris in the pipe up to this point already. Continue on down, there's more debris on the bottom of the pipe. It looks like dirt. It's hard to tell exactly what it is at this point. And then as we go deeper into the pipe, we can start seeing it looks like some sort of concrete, rocks, some kind of debris. I don't know if it's old tile pieces, but this is all looks like debris that was in the house or during construction. It's just full. This pipe is full at this point. You can see we're about 2 feet 3 inches in from the clean out outside immediately after it exits the house. You can see it's catching toilet paper. As we go in deeper, we're going to come up to, what is this? More debris. This is all construction debris. Right there, it looks like some kind of tile or something. I'm actually pushing all this stuff in as I'm actually working the camera in. Just making it hard to push. Actually get the, and this is what's, obviously that's some of the stuff that caused the backup. Turn this corner, turn this bend here. You can see more debris coming up. It's hard to tell. This here is a, I don't even know, that looks like either PVC or tile. It's round in shape. It's hard. Definitely, that's definitely debris, construction debris right there. I think I just caught, here's some more of that PVC or tile or something. This is all from construction, because this is not pipe material or the pipe breaking down in any way. This is about 17 feet in from the clean out, as you can see on the monitor. Pushing in, looks like there's some more of that debris. Again, it looks like tile, ceramic. It's PVC. It's very hard to tell what that is. It actually looks like, yeah, looks like some broken tile or something. This is what's backing up the house right now. And this, at this point, is. Can you do me a favor? Can you go flush the toilet and run some water? Even the tub. Yeah, the tub. Run the tub for me, please. Thank you. I'm gonna have the tub ran right now from upstairs, because this is pretty bad. And something's definitely gonna have to be done with this, about this. Here comes water. That was the toilet. Got the tub. As you can see, this is the source of the backup right here. Here comes the tub. So there's nothing flushing out. There's nothing, absolutely nothing, going to flush down that line in the condition that that's in, without backing it up. Okay. Man, I think I'm making this shit worse. Trying to clear it. But barely got half the pipe flowing right now. So this is going to have to be an immediate situation within the next day or so. Let's see. Go past it. This is that clean out cap. See that?
Wow.
That's the clean out cap in the basement. So if I was to open that up, I'd be able to, there's a piece of whatever's there. Now let's do that. Let's shut the water off.
Okay.
We'll let it drain down. I'm gonna pull that clean out cap and we'll find out what that is.
Okay.
That right there is the drop from upstairs. That's the clean out in the basement. I see a piece of that debris close enough to the clean out that we're going to open that clean out and find out what it is exactly in the pipe, what those bigger pieces are. So while the water's running, I'm going to back it up, this camera out. You can see our blockage again. Oh shit, I think I'm stuck. See if I can keep pushing this up to the clean out. Oh, got it. Got it loose. Or not. Fuck. Got the camera stuck in there.
It's stuck?
Come on. Oh, shit. Yep, she's stuck. Let me see where we're at in the town. We'll go inside and see.
Okay.
I can't do nothing. Okay, and push it in. I'm gonna stop recording now.